Hey guys, so today's video is going to be about me DIYing my top specifically for this video, and I'm going to show you how to sew and basically how to crop graphic tees and all that. If you're going to do these DIYs, you're going to need a sewing kit, specifically with a needle and string, scissors, and markers. Now we're going to get into how to fix your baby tees. First, you're going to lay out the shirt that you're going to cut and make slimmer. Then you're going to get a more fitted shirt and lay it on top of that shirt that you're going to cut. Now you're going to get a marker and you're going to outline the smaller shirt onto the bigger shirt. I'm going to show you how to sew by hand. First, you're going to basically just stick the needle through the lining. You're going to pull it all the way out. Then try to sew it again as close as possible with a little space in between. And then put it through and then pull. Now you're going to cut off the excess string from your knot. Basically, you're just going to do the same things over and over. Honestly, it's really simple. Then you're just going to continue down the line until you reach the end. Here, I'm just tying the final knot for this section. Basically, I just double knot it, then I cut off the excess string. Next, just copy the same thing on the other side. This is how it looks after I finish sewing and cutting. Now, let's get into the graphic tees. For this DIY, you're going to need scissors and your hand. First, you're going to have to examine the shirt and find out where you want to cut it. Then cut a little hole so you can know where to start. Next, lay the shirt on the floor. Make sure you have it neatly so you know you're cutting straight. Then start cutting. After you cut a little bit, then you place your hand down on the shirt and then just pull. It makes your hand is tightly on the shirt so you can pull in a straight line. Here I'm just cutting the excess off so it could be even. Then unfold your shirt inside out and make sure that the line is straight, and you should end up with something like this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Comment down below what videos you want to see next. And I love you so much. Bye.
Okay, let's skate. Bad bitch finna come my way. Going 90 when I'm on the highway. Can't go high without the high. Ay.